Hi, my name is Abhijith Naik. I'm working at Vayavya as architect. So today we will look into concept of volatile keyword. So let us assume a case of threshold where we want to read the status of the register dev's tent address, and we will wait till the value is non-zero. And once the value is non-zero, we will go ahead and process the data. So here we have deliberately omitted volatile. So when we ignore this volatile keyword, the code will be optimized. So optimization code of the compiler does is it won't read the value of the status register again and again. So it assume that the status is read only once, and it will replace while one statement. So this is not the result what we want. So in order to avoid these side effects, we use volatile keyword. So when we use volatile keyword, compiler will not optimize the instances of the volatile keywords. So it will read the status register again and again.